Wait, is there only 2 of us? Okay guys, so today we're going to be making pineapple smoothies. The first thing you need to do is buy a pineapple, and if you can't find any, too bad. Anyway, the second thing you want to do is you want to completely destroy it. Do not do that. Thank you. Anyway, so you're going to want to... You can't return it, by the way. First thing you need to do is destroy it. So, thank you. So we forgot some items because we're meanies and we don't list them at the beginning. Anyway, we have a granola bar. You need this. You definitely need this. Not an option. You just need it. You need a bottle as well.
Specifically that bottle.
No, you need a bottle as well. You know what this bottle is, okay?
It's Pure Leaf.
Shut up. We're gonna have to censor it anyway. Anyway, so you know what it is, okay? It's totally. And you're also going to need something to scoop out the pineapple with. So we're gonna use that. You can use a plastic spoon if you're like desperate. But
desperate.
So yeah, let's just get started. So you're gonna want to take your bottle, right? We're gonna open it. Now you might want 2 people to do this if you actually have an IQ of 0. So stop. Anyway, yeah, this is how you cut things, everybody.
It's a lot of damage.
Okay.
All right, now we're ready to scoop.
All right, so you wanna hold the bottle. Now, like I said, if you have an IQ of 0, you might want multiple people doing this. So
Can we get a close up real quick?
Yeah.
It's about as close as it
Get a
goes.
close up.
just get a close up.
Come here.
Even closer?
Yeah, just get a real good close up.
Listen to the noise. Just listen. Ready?
You want to get a close up of that? Yeah, get a close up of that right there. You want to make sure that it sounds absolutely disgusting, and you want your relatives to hate you. Now, this can be used on Thanksgiving because that's tomorrow, guys. So make sure. Okay, all right, just scoop it out and put it in the bottle. This is the second portion of this cooking show.
It's so wet.
Just
I'm trying.
Okay, Mom. Yeah, you gotta force it in there.
Oh.
Yeah, it's looking really good, guys. Now one of us is gonna have to eat this later.
Not it.
No, you definitely want to eat it. Listen, you definitely want to eat this. You definitely want to eat this, okay?
This is how we get watch minutes. This is how we get enough watch minutes so we can have ads on it.
Shh, don't expose our secret now.
Got on me. Got excess.
Oh yeah. By the way, if it touches a dirty table outside, you can still use it.
Our brand new dirty table.
It's disgusting anyway. You know that.
Oh yeah. It's a boy.
That's not how they determine.
Genders. No, let's just.
Oh yeah, you're
Rip
gonna
out
want
that
the
nice-
stalk. You see the stalk? Okay. Now you're gonna want to put that. It looks like corn on the cob. Okay.
Disgusting. Okay, no, we're not done here. Oh!
It's really good. Okay, I think we've done enough with the pineapple. So see how we have like it. Yeah, you want to do that. You want to do exactly that. So it looks I'm gonna see if the bananas are similar like they are in the movies.
It kind of works. Alright, well.
Anyway, alright. Anyway, so we have this granola bar, right? And I have Chewy. It's Chewy. That's not the brand, it's just Chewy. Anyway, you're gonna want to take this, and you see how nice it looks? There you go.
Alright, now.
Now you want to also destroy this bottle. See?
I'll help you with that.
You
Ready?
see that?
See this?
Wait, ready for this? Ready for this? Look at it. It looks absolutely delicious. Your family members will love it. It's just a great gift. Now, if you want, you can also, this is adding a little bit of seasoning to it. You can put the wrapper in there. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I've done it before, and let me tell you.
Now,
It tastes
if
really
you really
good.
want to be illegal, just
Oh yeah, a little bit of grass never hurt nobody.
yeah, grass.
Dry grass. It can't be normal grass, it has to be dry.
It has to be
What's
dry.
normal grass?
Normal grass is green. Anyway. Okay, anyway, so you're gonna want to take this. Now, we forgot the most important part. Not actually eating it.
So there you go. That's how you waste about 10 minutes.
It's 5
So-
minutes, 21 seconds.
Well, 5
5
minutes
minutes
because
craft.
we had all the materials. It takes 5 minutes for us. It may take 20 for you due to your low IQ.
Time for 10-minute credit scene.
So,
If you want to actually subscribe, that would literally be amazing. You know, that would just be great because we do really, really cool stuff like
this.
and
And smashing pumpkins.
yeah, because that guys, quick fun fact. That's a pumpkin. On a real note, that looks pretty bad. But if you ate it, I can assure you that it would not taste bad. Thank you for watching.
Consume.
Bruh.